So I'm here today to share with you all the new BOLERO packaging that popped up in my local Dollar Tree. Yes, you know your girl went crazy up in Dollar Tree snatching the new smell goods of the BOLERO line. Yes, I did. I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, wondering which new smell goods of the BOLERO did MGA find this time. Yes, this time. I'm going to start out with the first scents that I managed to get my hands on, and this is all going to be the French lavender and citrus smell goods, okay, from the BOLERO line. First thing up is the body cream, which I picked up right here. I absolutely love this body cream. It is so moisturizing to my skin, and now this one is going to smell even more amazing, okay. I don't pick up the lotion that comes, you know, the BOLERO lotion. I pick up the cream because it's way more moisturizing and way more thick when I apply it onto my skin, because my skin get very dry, which is interesting. My body skin get dry, but my daggone face be oily. I'm gonna ask my dermatologist about that. Anyway, back to this. So this is the French lavender and citrus smell good, and the benefit to this one is it's more of a relaxing fragrance. Yeah, this here soothes and calms you. So I got the body cream, and let me get the rest of them out so we can just get this going real quick. I got the body cream. I then picked up the hair, skin, and face body oil. That's the oil right there. Now what I love about this oil is after I get out this, well, right before I get out the shower while my skin is still wet, I will spritz this all over my skin, rub it into my skin, rinse one more time, just a rinse, and then I'll step out the shower and, you know, towel dry myself off, and this adds in helping lock the moisture of my skin from the shower. So I got that. I have the facial wipes. I got the facial wipes right here. Then I picked up the bath bombs, which was, this was the first time me seeing, so I hope these work very well. So I got the bath, these are the mini version, the mini bath bombs. I got some more bath soak, which is equivalent to Epsom salt. Instead, this is in the lavender and you know, the lavender and citrus scent. Got that one. Another pack of the bath bombs right there. And to go with the bath bombs, I brought the original bath fizzers. I have used these before in the past, so I know this works, but I'm hoping this works just the same. So this is the fizzer. And keep in mind, dolls, for the little mini bath bombs, I'm going to use this for when I go get my pedicures. You know, drop this in the water while I'm soaking for them to, you know, do the pedicure. So don't just get it for the bath. You can do your pedicures with this too. That's something for you to keep in mind. I have another bath fizzer. Then I have the body wash. Like I said, this is the body wash. Very, very moisturizing. I was very surprised by this. That's the body wash. Then I picked up some more bath bombs, which was sold separately. And this one is in vanilla and wild berry. So this is not the French lavender. This one is vanilla and wild berry, and oh my god, it just smells so amazing. There was no way I was going to leave it there. And I got these. These are the pink grapefruit and sugar cane scented ones, and that's the pink ones right here. And this smells way better than all the scents I got together. If you see this pink grapefruit and sugar cane, yeah, snatch them up. So I got those right there. And that was the first bag of smell goods. Now when it comes to the smell goods for the BOLERO line, I only found 3 of them at my local Dollar Tree. So that's what I'll be showing you today. So the next one is going to be the Italian pear smell good version, which is looking like this right here. So I got the bath bomb, the mini bath bombs, as you see right there. I have the body wash, as you're seeing right there. And the benefit to this one is, this one says it's rejuvenating. So the other one was a calming and soothing fragrance, but this reminds me of the Victoria's Secret pear. You remember that pear fragrance that Victoria's Secret had going on? Yeah, it kind of reminds me of that. Not as strong as that, but it reminds me a lot of that. Again, I got the bath salt. You know, the bath salt to go along with it. That's the bath salt. Another pack of the mini bath bombs, which, like I said, don't sleep on these. You don't have to use them only for the bath. You can take them when you go get your pedicures and drop it right in the water. They can't tell you nothing when you do that. Don't be shy to it. The next one is the body cream, because like I said, the cream is way more moisturizing for me than the lotion. So I got the body cream. And I got the face wipes, which is excellent to use. I use these after I take off my makeup. After I remove my makeup and everything else, I give my face a final wipe down with the Bolero face wipes here. I don't use it to remove my makeup, but I do use it after I remove my makeup. The bath fizzer. I got the bath fizzer, so Italian pear. And with the bath fizzers, I got like... I'm showing you that, but I got like 10 of them a piece. Anyway, the bath oil, you know, the bath oil, because like I said, I use this, you know, right after my shower, right before I step out. I'll spritz this on my skin, give myself a final rinse, and this helps to lock in my moisture. And, ooh, another bath fizzer. I told you I was not playing. I went all the way in. So this is my other bag of the Bolero line. Which one is this one? Now this one smells so incredible. Yo, if you don't look for nothing else, make sure you find the Moroccan Mint and Raspberry, okay? This one, the benefits of it is very hydrating. So this one says it's very hydrating. And these are the little bath bombs, you know. Like I said, don't limit yourself to it being a bath bomb. Take it for when you're doing your petties. The body cream. This is the body cream. And the body oil, because like I said, I use this for while I'm in the shower, or you know, when I get out the bath or whatever, but mainly for the shower. Okay, you know me, I got the bath fizzers. I got more of the bath fizzers. I got a bunch of the bath fizzers. Another bath fizzer. Another bath fizzer. Let me not bore you with all the bath fizzers. So when I tell you I went in, your girl went all the way in. Picked up these bath bombs. Now this one is not the Moroccan version. This one is coconut and lime. And let me just have a moment, child. Ooh, so mesmerizing. I'm silly. Let me stop. No, but it do smell incredible. And this is the coconut and lime. So I have those bath balls. You know, the face wipes, because I told you before, I use these after I remove my makeup. You know, my final wipe down on my face is with the Bolero face wipe. So that one. And what else? More bath bomb balls. And I ain't gonna bore you with the rest of them, but I'll show you the last, another pack of the mini bath bombs, which like I said, I done said it about 2, 3, 10 times already. Don't limit yourself. As a matter of fact, when you go to get your petties or whatever done, don't be shy. Put your bath salt, take your bath salt, sprinkle it in the water, take your bath bombs, drop it in the water, and sit there and soak. Because when it comes to you getting your petty, at least I'm currently in New York City, because I live between Atlanta and then I'm in New York, so I go back and forth. But let me say this, the salons here in New York City that does the petty, they don't, I mean, they'll soak you or whatever, but they use it sparingly. Like they'll put a teaspoon of whatever the soak is, and I feel like for the price I'm paying, give me something I can soak in. So now I don't pay them no mind. I go ahead and drop my little bath bomb ball in there, or a little bit of my Epsom salt, and I tell the girl, you know, or the guy, give me an extra, you know, 2 or 3 minutes on the soak, and I'll be good to go. So don't be shy in taking your products with you for you to get your pedicures, if you don't already do that, because I do. But on that note, dolls, yeah, this was the new fragrance of Bolero products that popped up at my local Dollar Tree, and I was just too excited to have found them and to have been able to share them with you today. And these were the 3 scents that I got. I got the Italian pear, I got the Moroccan Mint and Raspberry, and the French Lavender and Citrus, and these are at local Dollar Trees. Now, I'm going to share something with you all that I haven't seen, and let me be more clear, that I haven't seen no one else do that show they stuff they got from Dollar Tree. Now, let me come in close. I shouldn't even tell. Okay, I'm gonna tell you, but you better leave some for me. If you live within the 5 boroughs of New York City and you be hunting for BOLERO products, I know, it's like the wait pause. Do not sleep. Co-op City, Dollar Tree. Yes, I just shared it with you all. Yes. Now that is my favorite spot. So if you're going to go there, please be modest and try to leave something for me behind. But I know the manager over there. I be calling him all the time. But seriously, Co-op City and Dollar Tree, well, Dollar Tree and Co-op City, which is the Bronx, New York, they are a hidden gem, and they always have fabulous finds at that Dollar Tree. 75% of the hauls that I do on here come from the Co-op City Dollar Tree. Reach out, get to know that Dollar Tree, find out their shipment days and stuff like that, and go when they receive their shipments, and you'll be able to score your FAB Dollar Tree finds too. So on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video, because I done told y'all my little hidden spot. So don't be surprised if you see me in there next time. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the Miss Glamour Addict YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Join in on an amazing official GlamDollz community. All the official dolls, meaning the subscribed GlamDollz on here, they call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget. I love not breaking banks for a fabulous look. And I love showing fabulous things that you don't got to break your bank for. Exactly like what I just showed you today. For real. Seriously, this really concluded the video, because I got to put this stuff away. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. But don't forget, we still got to stay socially connected. So please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.